You got them? Like this?
So good morning, how are you? All the kids have gone to school except for Zali, she starts next week. I wanted to quickly show you what I've done with my fridge so far for my week 1 of eating non-animal products. Okay, so the first 2 shelves of condiments are vegan friendly. We have our dairy-free milk, and this is my macadamia milk, and hubby's dairy. Put in your little snack, Zali.
Raspberries, blueberries, and cinnamon seeds, and chocolate.
Cacao.
And yogurt.
And yogurt. We're loving this one. What you got there? You're sprinkling some coconut from your chocolate coconut ball. Yum. Got the quinoa bubbling away and a 5-minute vegetable stir fry. Boom. Meatless Monday.